Yes, one thing that you need to know, this symptom that you see here, or when you see your leaves showing this coloration or black powdery substance growing on it, it is sooty mold. Sooty mold is a fungus, it's a fungal organism. And so what sooty mold does is that it covers the surface and then reduces the photosynthetic activity of the plant, and so you see retarded growth. And so whenever you see sooty mold, you are likely to find either aphids or whiteflies, mealybug, or some other insects. They feed on the plant, the leaves, and so whenever they are feeding, because the plant contains nutrient, the manufactured food comes from that pest or aphids. So you can find aphids moving around, and so the liquid that comes from the aphid is what the organism takes advantage of and then grows on it. And so we call it honeydew. Honeydew, whenever the aphids or the whiteflies feed, the honeydews are normally collected on the leaf surface, and so the organism also takes advantage of it and then grows on it. That is why, so whenever you see sooty mold on your plant, you are likely to find a lot of other insects. So what you need to do is to control the insects. These are aphids, and so the aphids, you can use insecticide. I think imidacloprid based is effective against it, and there are other active ingredients which you go to the chemical shop and then you make sure that the target pest is aphid. If the pest that you find is whiteflies, then you also get chemical that is effective against whiteflies. And so with this one, it doesn't really, it is only on the surface, so you can easily wash it off. You can wash it off. So you can also use soapy solution, or you can use oil, horticultural oil. Neem oil is also effective against it. And so whenever even when you have water hose, just use it to blow on the surface. When you use it, it will just wash it off. So normally in the rainy season, whenever it rains heavily, you see that it has washed off. It hasn't eaten deep down into the leaves, it is just on the surface. So it is something that if you have just few plants as well, you can also even apply water and then use your hands to wash it off, so that you can easily manage it. So the concern here is you managing the pest, the aphids or whiteflies or mealybugs or any other pests that you find around. So you see them going on. These are aphids, a lot of aphids down there. And then sometimes look at the mealybugs. Mealybugs are also, so you see these are the mealybugs, and then you find the aphids also there. And so their feeding action causes the organism, the sooty mold, to grow on it. So look under your plants and then you can also observe them. These are mealybugs. So you can also use the neem oil or horticultural oil. You can use soapy water and then to blow them off. Mind you, they are there. So these are some of the ways that you can identify. Always turn the leaves out upside down, and then you can see the organism on it. Whenever you see ants, a lot of ants growing, walking on your plant, it means you have aphids or mealybugs on the plant. So this is one thing that you can detect, that there, if you see the ants there, yes, that is it. They come and then feed on the honeydew or the exudates from the aphids or from the plant. So these are some of the things that you need to take into consideration when growing vegetables. Thank you.